Zurich, a city that feels both peaceful and powerful at the same time. Located right in the heart of Europe, it's not just Switzerland's largest city, it's one of the most convenient and well-connected places you can visit. Zurich sits on the edge of a beautiful lake, surrounded by rolling hills, and just a short distance from the Alps. What makes it special is the balance, modern city life mixed with old-world charm. You can walk through the old town with its narrow streets and historic buildings, and just minutes later, find yourself by the water, relaxing with incredible views. But what really makes Zurich stand out is its location. From here, you're perfectly positioned to explore Europe. In just a few hours, you can reach cities like Paris, Milan, Munich, or Vienna by train or plane. Trains, trams, and buses make it easy to get anywhere without stress. Even within the city, you rarely need a car. Everything is close, organized, and easy to navigate. Zurich isn't just about convenience, it's about quality of life. If you like shopping, Bahnhofstrasse is one of the most famous streets in the world. If you prefer culture, there are museums, galleries, and historic landmarks everywhere. And when you want a break from the city, the mountains are right there. Zurich is the kind of place that works for every type of traveler. If you're here for a short trip, it's compact and easy to explore. If you're staying longer, it becomes the perfect base to discover Switzerland and beyond. It's not the cheapest city, but what you get in return is comfort, efficiency, and a truly high standard of living. So if you're planning a trip through Europe, don't overlook Zurich. It's more than just a stop. It's a gateway to everything around it. And once you experience it, you might not want to leave.